Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. Are you excited to sketch Spider-Man's legendary mask? Let's get started. First, begin by drawing a large oval shape. This will form Spidey's head. Try to make the edges smooth and even. Did you know that Spider-Man always wears his mask to protect his identity so villains can't find out who he really is? Now, let's add his famous eyes. Create two big almond-shaped outlines near the upper half of the oval. These are Spidey's unique lenses that help him sharpen his vision and react faster, just like a real spider. In some versions, his lenses even adjust in size to show his emotions. Here comes the most exciting part, the web pattern. Start from the center of the mask and draw straight lines radiating outward, similar to the spokes of a bicycle wheel. Next, connect them with gentle curved lines to create the intricate spider web effect. Did you know Spider-Man's web design changes slightly in different comics and movies? Some versions have thicker, bolder webs, while others have thin and delicate patterns. Now, it's time to bring Spidey to life with colors. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Spider-Man's mask is a striking red with deep black webbing and large, bright white eyes. fun fact. His suit was designed based on actual spiders to give him a stealthy yet heroic look. In early comic sketches, his suit was going to be black and purple, but red and blue won because they stood out more in action scenes. And just like that, you've completed Spider-Man's awesome mask. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be drawing his full superhero suit and web-slinging poses. Bye for now. See you next time.